It is April 27th, Friday, 10:41 a.m. This is my RX-7. It is littered with yellow auto marker paint. Just to kind of go through, just got it out of the paint shop, but going over kind of little mistakes that I've been seeing on it. You can see right here, it's like pitted, and then let's see if we get a zoom in on that. Scratches, pitted. So other things like the underside of it hasn't been painted on the bumper. It's kind of hard to focus. There's a paint run. It's like a nick. I'm gonna take this off autofocus. Nick. Right here is this is touch-up paint. Bumps, nicks, more touch-up paint, fisheye. Just imperfections. Over the car. It's out of orange peel. The buffing job is, you really can't get it on the camera, but there's a lot of haze, imperfections of the paint. There's like a dent right here. You can kind of see it's dented. There's like a lot of orange peel. Some imperfections in the paint. Scratch mark. Some nick right here. You kind of can see you can see a little bit better right here. There's overspray. Nicks. So yeah, just a lot of imperfections in the paint. So I marked the whole thing in automotive marker just to kind of give you a concept and idea. It's kind of all over the car. It's like dry areas of clear. Pitting. Yeah, I mean, you can kind of see what was done to the car. Issues with the paint, issues with overspray, pitting, certain bodywork issues. It fill every little detail. But yeah, it's kind of an overview of the car. After looking over, it's not too happy for the money. Just kind of run into this stuff all day, but I wish it was just a little bit more intricate. I understand you can't get everything perfect without paying the money, but I think this is too much to say, for the amount. So